Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody watched my video I just made this morning and has already emailed me wanting to know if you could so this is the ones we did this morning, but they wanted to know if you could put it from the top and the bottom. So I was just playing around with another type of halftone pattern I designed, and yes, you can. You can actually power clip two of these into the deal. So we're going to make a duplicate of that, Control D, and make a duplicate. And we're just going to go and put it on top and out of the way. Now, so we'll take our power clip and go to Object, or our halftone, and place inside Frame, and then edit your power clip and just move it down to about there and press OK. Then take your other power clip, Object, Power Clip, place inside Frame. Now it's going to look funny at first, but when you go to Edit Power Clip and you move it up, that's a pretty cool effect. And you could play around with that. Now, as always, you would want to make your outline of your text thicker. And if you didn't know what size, I would scale it to object so you could still scale it around. And there's, you can still play around with it because the power clip is actually inside there, and you're not going to change it too much by sloping it or whatever you want to do to it. But anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.